I want Jannatul Firdaus, and you want Jannatul Firdaus. For Allah to give us Jannah, for Allah to give us Jannah, a preparation is required. That preparation will bring about the mercy of Allah. Allah's mercy will come if we prepare properly. Fulfill your salah, do good deeds, look at those who are around you, solve problems. Allah has given such a great reward to people who like to solve problems. You want to solve a problem, Allah says, I will give you a reward. Are you going to bring people together? I will give you a reward. Are you going to try to bring the ones who are not talking to each other, they are not on talking terms, are you going to try to bring them on to talking terms? I will give you a reward, a great reward. So if you want Jannah, you need to get the mercy of Allah. If you want the mercy of Allah, you need to do lots of good things. And then work on your bad ways, bad habits. Cut them out, change them. Don't speak words that are displeasing to Allah. Bad words, abusive words. If you want to say bad words, lies, deception, swear words. People use swear words so much today. Do they use them in Kumasi as well? Swear words. They use them. A'udhu billah. Is it true? You mean you use swear words here in this city? A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Some people said no. No is a swear word in another language. May Allah grant us ease. Be careful what you say. Anyway, the point I want to raise is the tongue is one of the most important organs of the body.